It's Jim's Kitchen, making and tasting yummy foods. It tastes oh so yummy.
Well, hey, you've made it to Jim's Kitchen, and it's time for another vintage recipe. This one comes from my friend Cathy, and it came from this cookbook. It is a dressing that you pour on top of fruit. It's called a coffee fruit dressing. It involves instant coffee. I mean, that's unique. I have to try it. I need to melt a 1/4 cup of butter. To that butter, you need 1½ teaspoons of instant coffee. I thought I had some, but I didn't. But I did have this instant Thai coffee, so I'm going to use 1½ teaspoons of that. 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and mix that together. In a bowl, I need a 1/3 cup pineapple juice, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 2/3 cup condensed milk, and the yolk of 1 egg. Stir to combine. Stir in that coffee mixture. Mix that all up. Whisk that all up. Grab some pineapple chunks and serve that dressing on top. Coffee fruit dressing. It's unique. Very breakfast-like. It's like a breakfast dessert. I wouldn't buy anything with Velcro. It's a total rip-off.